Hello Shama crafters, welcome back to the channel. If you are new on this channel, kindly consider subscribing. Today we'll be making a scrunchie headband or a ruffled headband, and we'll be making use of African print fabric, also known as Ankara. So here I have about 30 inches length of, this is 15, and I folded into two. That is 30 by 5 inches of fabric. And let's see what I have here. I have, this is about 14 and a half here. So what I did is that I multiplied the 14 and a half by 2, that is 29, and 0.5 inches for the sewing allowance. So now the next thing I need to do is to reinforce this fabric with this fusible interfacing, also known as stay. This is a very soft, light stay, and I'm just gonna apply it on the wrong side of this fabric just to give it a bit of strength before we sew this elastic on the fabric. So I'll be right back. This is what I have here. This is the wrong side of the fabric, and this is the soft fusible interfacing I've applied on this fabric. This is the right side and this is the wrong side. So now I need to centralize this. Like, you can just use your hand or just to press it, or you can use your iron too, whatever works for you. But there's really no need for an iron here. So what I need this for is just to know where to place this elastic. So the next thing I'm going to do is just to sew this elastic on this fabric at the middle, and as I sew, I pull. As I sew, I pull. So the pulling will actually cause a ruffle effect on this fabric. So let's see. So the next thing I need to do is to make like a V cut, yeah, and at this other end here, then we join. So one thing to notice that as you are joining, you'll be making a ruffle too on this other end. Just, you need to start making like a ruffle. I'm just using this fast method. Like you can also join and use a needle and thread to make large stitches and pull. All we need to do is, we are trying to make gathers. Yes, it is also called gathers. So trying to make gathers here. That's just the whole of this. That's the essence of this second joining I'm doing. So you have to leave an opening here at the other end or anywhere here, so that this will allow you to turn this what we just made. So now the next thing we need to do is just to turn to the right side. So keep turning. this is what we have here and here. So we'll need to close up this place where we opened. So we'll just fold it in like this and we'll place and just close up. We're almost done. Almost ready. So this is what we have here. You need to make sure that both ends are pointed. If you are not using ribbon to tie the end of the headband, so you need to make sure that both ends are pointed. So the next thing we need to do is just to place this. We need to stick we need to be conscious of this end like that. Then we'll go come in. So if you are not sure if the fabric will be enough, what you can do is to fix the other end first, then you can continue. But with the look of things, we will have enough fabric. As you are doing, you have to adjust this and make sure that this elastic is at the middle. You have to centralize the elastic. So I'll just go to this end and start from there too. I need to be careful because this can really get messy, as I've always said. Alternatively, you can use a ribbon to cover this end. I want to try and centralize this. So then, as usual, so you have to be careful so that it doesn't get messy. So this is what we have. This is what we have here. let me know in the comment section, which one do you like? Which one do you prefer, the wide one or the slim one? Let me know. So we have come to the end of today's tutorial. Thank you for stopping by, and remember that you are amazing.